Good morning, California. This is Kevin Oliver, your real estate broker and realtor. And today we're talking about one of the most overlooked yet most valuable parts of homeownership, your preventative maintenance. Buying a home isn't the finish line. It's the starting point of protecting one of the largest financial investments you'll ever make. In California, where our weather ranges from coastal humidity to Central Valley heat, maintenance isn't optional, it's essential. Routine care keeps your home's value high and prevents expensive surprises down the road. Remember to clean your gutters and downspouts twice a year to avoid foundation issues. Service your HVAC system every spring and fall for efficiency and air quality. Inspect roofs annually, especially after a heavy rain or wind. And then check your irrigation system to prevent water waste and landscape damage. Small fixes like sealing cracks or replacing worn weather stripping protect against energy loss and pests. And when it comes time to sell, a well maintained home appraises higher, shows better, and builds instant buyer confidence. Remember, maintenance isn't an expense, it's a wealth preservation. And this is your California moment. Stay proactive, protect your equity, and your home will take care of you in return. Have a great morning.